Okay, during this video we're going to be completing the crank arm drawing for the Trammel Toy drawing series. We want to go up to 2D sketch, and we're going to draw this on the XY plane. We want to choose the rectangle command and select the point of origin and drag it out in a positive direction. We're going to type in a distance of 5.125 and a height of 0.25. Next, we want to finish the sketch. We want to extrude this 0.625. Next, we're going to be drawing 3 holes in this crank arm so that it can connect to the slide box and also the crank handle. So we want to select the hole command, and we want to set it up so that we're drawing a number 12 hole, 1224 UNC hole, 0.216 number 12 size hole that's tapped. So we need to select tapped and make sure that the designation and sizes are correct, and that also the depth here is 0.432. Okay, so I'm going to click down here where this hole is going to live, and I want to specify exactly where it lives. So I'm going to click on this line right here, and I want to type in a distance of 0.313. Next, I'm going to select this line, and I want to specify a distance of 0.375. And I'm going to select apply. Okay, next we're going to draw a hole up here on this end. So I'm going to select the hole command again and select where I believe it's going to live. And for this one, we want it to be a through hole, so make sure you have through hole selected. We want the diameter to be 0.1875. Next, what I want to do is select where it actually lives. Give it an address. So I'm going to click up here, and I want to type in a distance of 0.375. And I'm going to click on the side here, and I want to type in a distance of 0.313. And I'm going to select apply. I'm going to put a second hole up here near this one. And again, it's going to be the same type of hole, a through hole, 0.1875 diameter. And I want to specify where it lives. So I'm going to click on the side here again, and I want to type in a distance of 0.313. And I want to click down here on the end of this and specify a distance of 2. And apply. Okay. So next what we want to do is go up here to where it says generic. We want to specify the type of material. We want it to be aluminum again, so we're going to click on that aluminum 6061. And we want to give this some color. We're going to make it a red type color, so I'm going to click and drag across to select the entire part. And I'm going to click on the red color and click on the green check mark. We want to make sure we save this as the crank arm in the Trammel Toy folder.